Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my dear brother and sisters. I hope you will be fine. So, first of all, I would like to introduce you that what we are going to learn on this channel now. Actually, on this channel we have uploaded different types of videos, okay? But now, from today, we are going to learn regularly German language on this channel because there are many people because we have also one another channel of YouTube channel, the name of that YouTube channel is German with Kamar, but on this channel we are teaching German language with Urdu or Hindi language. But there are many people, I think so, most of the people in the world want to learn German language with English language. So that is why we are now using this our channel, this platform of this channel, to learn German language with on this channel now with English language. Okay, as I said, we have already another channel with the name is German with Kamar. Our own Urdu and Hindi viewers can learn on this channel, and with the with the grace of Allah, they are learning very successfully on this channel. So I welcome you, all those viewers who want to learn German easy and fast on this channel. Okay, so so I would like to say we would like to start from to learn German grammar. Okay, grammar from the basics. Okay, because it is said that it is the mostly people say that German grammar is very difficult. Okay, so but we as I would like to say that we teach that's the same grammar but in the easiest way, in the easiest method, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, so let's start today's very first lesson. I hope you can learn with us with the easiest way and in the fastest way, inshallah, with us. Okay, so as I said, in English, the people say that no grammar, no grammar, no language. No grammar, no language. So grammar is very important. If you really want to learn, if you Beispiel, for example, if you want to pass your exam, Beispiel A1, A2 or B1, if you really want to pass, so you have to learn this grammar. Without grammar can Beispiel A1 oder A2, man can pass this exam, but my dear brothers and sisters, B1 is an advanced level of German language. So advanced level. So without grammar it's very very difficult for you to learn to pass your B1 exam. So grammar is quite difficult. It's but it is not very difficult. But some people think that. But as I said, we will teach you on this channel with the easiest way what is grammar, what is German grammar is what is German grammar. Okay, so actually, there are four basics German cases we have to learn. You know that. That is nominative, you have to learn. Start from the nominative, and accusative, dative, and genitive. These are four cases you have to learn, my dear brothers and sisters. Beispiel, mostly you can say that nominative is the first one. Then the second case is accusative and dative. But these three cases are really very important. The fourth is genitive. Okay, if you learn these three first cases now, but you must learn to pass B1 exams now, B1 German exam. So you must learn these three first cases. Okay, without fourth case, this fourth case is also very easy. If you learn these three cases, then fourth will be very easy for you, genitive case. Okay, good. So we will not start with A, B, C. No. Okay, that mostly people know that. But the grammar we start from the A1, I mean to basics. Okay, when you learn the basics grammar, then you can learn the advanced grammar. Okay, so we start from the basic grammar. Okay, let's start very first lesson of today. Good. Look here. So first of all, as I said, we are going to start with the nominative case. Okay, first of all, you have to understand, the first thing you need to understand, that German articles. This is a very important. You know that what are German articles? Do you know? Okay, if you do, if you know, that's great. If you really don't know, you need to be understand what are German articles. Okay, look, Actually, everybody knows that there are three articles. There are three German articles. There, the, and thus. Everybody knows that. Everybody heard about that. Yes, there are articles, German articles. There, the, thus. We know that. Okay, now look. In English, I would like to say that in English we use the article. Beispiel, we have just one. We use mostly the article, na? The table, the bed, the sofa, the woman, the child, the house, the door, the blackboard. Okay, we just only use the one article in German in English language. But on the other hand, we have three articles in German English in German language. Three articles: there, the, and thus. Okay. Beispiel, few nouns. The most important thing I forgot. These articles are written with nouns. Okay, only with nouns. Try to understand. These articles are written with nouns. And what are nouns? You know that? Nouns, everything is noun. That your sofa, bed, okay, the shrunk, okay, a cupboard, door, tapestry, everything, okay, everything is noun. Okay, and every noun has one article that could be there, that could be the or thus. Three articles could be. Okay, but the next question is it our choice to write article there? For example, handy. uh, can we write thus handy or there handy or the handy? No, thus handy. So these articles are fixed with the nouns. Okay, so these articles there, the, thus are fixed. So we have to learn by heart, you know. For example, this is a table, the table. In English we say the table, the table. In German we say der Tisch. In English, in German, we say their Tisch. Okay? You understand that, okay? Okay, ठीक है. ठीक mean is my mother language is Urdu. My mother language is Urdu. Sometimes maybe you can heard some Urdu words because Urdu is my mother language. So it could be that sometimes you can hear by spiel the sound of my Urdu words. Okay, no problem. Okay, so these articles, basically you need to understand the articles are very important, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, if you know the magic or trick of to learn these articles, then that grammar will be a fun for you, will be a fun really to try to understand. Okay, so first of all, actually these are three articles. These are three articles, you know that, there, the, and thus. These are all written with the nouns. For example, as I said, thus handy, hand is thus handy. The door, the tour, the tour. We don't use the English the. Now in Deutsch, where D-I-E, the. Okay, good. And the next one, I have few nouns I have with me this time. I write also with here, and please you also can try to read them. Okay, these nouns are very important. Okay, look at now. I have few nouns for you. You can see with here with me. For example, the apple. The apple in is their Apfel, their Apfel, their Apfel. So the one thing I would like to say here, very important thing. But look, those nouns which have Beispiel their article there. Those nouns which have their article, those are called masculine. Okay, those are called masculine, mean male nouns. You can say that. Okay, the thing masculine are okay. Those nouns which have their article. Okay, the nouns which have the article, the, okay, these are called feminine. Okay, and those articles who have thus article, thus, you know that, okay, they are called neutral or neutral, you can say that. Okay, so these are three articles. There are three names are given. Masculine are there, okay, feminine is the, and neutral is thus. That's me. Okay, understood? Good. Now, Beispiel, the next noun is Buch. Das Buch. Book, you know, book is In English, we say die Buch. In German language, you will say das Buch. Das Auto. Okay, as I said, in English, we have just only one article, die Car, das Auto. Der Hund, der Hund, die Hund, a dog, der Hund. Okay, then der Stuhl, stool is your chair, die Chair. In English, in German, we say der Stuhl, der Stuhl. You understand now? Okay, on stool is masculine. Stool is masculine because stool has a der article, so that is why that is masculine. You understand now? Okay, and the next is die Katze, oder? Nein, die Kiste, the box, So the box is a feminine noun because it has a the article in German language. Die Kiste. The next is das Baby. Baby is neutral. Okay, die Stadt. Stadt is feminine. Die Stadt, the city, you know that in English. Das Bett. Das Bett, no, das Blatt. Das Blatt, the leaf. Leaf, you know that. Das Blatt. Okay, the leaf. The next is, okay. You have the next thing I would like to share here that would it's a very important. Look, those noun are those have their article or the or thus. You know that. The next thing you must know that if we write the nouns in plural form, okay, try to understand please. If we write the nouns in plural form, in plural, we write always the article. This could be the fourth article, okay? In plural, we write only the article. Beispiel, the number one noun, you can see that der Apfel. Der Apfel. Der Apfel is a noun, singular noun. In plural, we say the apple. Okay, in plural, in plural, their article will be not written. When any noun, either it has a there, the, or a thus article. In plural, we write only the fourth in plural article the. Okay, look at the second one. Das Buch. Das Buch, na? In plural, we say die Bücher, the books, die Bücher. Okay, in singular article nouns we write thus. But any noun, either it has a there, the, or a thus article, but in plural we write only the article. Okay, das Auto, die Autos. Okay, der Hund, die Hunde. Good. Der Stuhl, die Stühle. Die Kiste, die Kisten. Okay, das Baby, die Babys. Die Stadt, die Städte. Oh, the next is das Blatt, die Blätter. Okay, number 10. Das Messer. Okay, und die Messer. Here you can see that. You must note one point here. For example, in German, few nouns are written same in singular and plural. Beispiel, das Messer. Messer is plural is auch Messer. Is also plural Messer. Okay, but in plural we write the article the. The article will tell us that this is in plural form. Okay, and did you understand? Okay, because das Messer and the Messer, we did not write any s or e or n to make plural it, because the word Messer is the same in singular and plural. But how can we can difference between in single we have there or a thus, but in plural we always write article the. Okay, so the Messer. So okay, one more example here I would like to share with you. For example, sweater. In sweater, sweater is I now this sweater. In German, we say their pullover, their pullover, and in plural, the pullover is plural is of pullover. Okay, is also pullover, na. But in plural, we write the article, the pullover. Understand? Good. The next is die Frau, die Frauen. Okay. Der Mann, die Männer, das Kind, die Kinder, der Sohn, die Zähne, der Fuß, die Füße, Füße, na? Ja, die Maus, die Mäuse, der Fisch, die Fische, okay, das Schaf, die Schafe, die Gans, die Gänse, das Haus, die Häuser. These are few nouns which I have shared with you. Okay? Okay, first of all, please try to understand the articles. If you learn the articles, then everything will be easier for you, my dear brothers and sisters, to learn German language. So now we now we close out of our today's lesson, and what we have learned today. We have learned today that there are three articles, three different articles. These are called there, the, and thus. Okay, and these are written only with nouns. Okay, and nouns in German are called nomen. What's called nomen? Nomen. Okay, understand now? Okay, the nouns have few nouns have their article, the other have thus or the articles. Okay, समझा रही है? Did you understand now? Some nouns are written with article there. Some nouns are written with article the. Some nouns are written with article thus. Okay, and in plural, when any noun is which is in the plural form, we write article the. Okay, we write the article in plural. Did you understand this point or not? Okay, if you have any question, we will continue here from here. This is a nominative case. We have started a nominative case. As I said, we will not start from a, b, say, or a day, because we already know that they need to be understand. We have to learn. That is German grammar. We need to learn, my dear brothers and sisters. And this is a very easy, and I will teach you inshallah ta'ala on this channel with the easiest way. And I hope you will learn. Okay, the first lesson you have to learn about articles. There are three articles. There are three German articles. There, the, thus. These are written with the nouns, and these are fixed nouns. These are fixed articles. Fixed articles these have. And the second thing we have learned, these nouns when are written in the plural form, we always write article the. Okay, good. So thank you very much for watching. And before going for upcoming very important videos, don't forget to subscribe, my dear brothers and sisters. Have a nice time and take care.